Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming why your Google Merchant account was suspended, and you act immediately. Open Merchant Center, read the account issues entry. This explains the violation and the evidence needed. Next, collect business documents, tax ID, invoice samples, and proof you own your website, because you will submit them. Pause the disapproved product feed so you can edit safely. Do not delete it, since that preserves history and speeds review once you resubmit. Once you have the suspension details, fix the core problems in your feed and on your site. Update product titles, GTIN, pricing, and availability so they match landing pages exactly. Mismatches cause rejections. Remove any items that violate Google's policies, restricted products, misleading claims, or unsupported services, because partial fixes still trigger suspensions. Then use Merchant Center diagnostics to surface remaining errors. Resolving every error reduces back and forth and shortens review time when you ask for reinstatement. Now you resubmit. Craft a concise request for review explaining exactly what you changed, why, and include supporting documents and screenshots. Submit from the Account Issues page, then monitor Merchant Center and your email closely because reviews typically take days. If you get denied, don't panic. Create a clear escalation packet with timestamps, before and after screenshots, and a change log showing fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the issue in a test product and supply those exact diagnostics to reviewers to prove the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.